Welcome to part 2 of language of chemistry. In part 1 we have learned about symbol, valency, all these things, but still most of you have facing problem to write the formula, how to write it. So today in this video I will discuss how to write the formula. Let us check it one by one. I am starting with taking the easy example first, then I will proceed to the difficult one. For example, you are given sodium chloride to write the formula. So how shall I proceed? First of all, you need to write the symbol of each term. First part is positive always, second part is negative. So what will you do? Sodium is Na and chlorine is Cl. Keep them like this. Now write their valency just beside them. So what is the valency of sodium? 1. And what is that of chlorine? Also 1. Now the last stage is very easy, that is give on crisscross. This one will go there and this will come here. So what I am getting? Na1 Cl1. Whenever I will get something like 1 1 2 2 like this, then they will cut and the simple one I will give. So what is the formula of sodium chloride? It is NaCl. Hope it is clear. Then come to the little bit difficult, such as calcium oxide. Let me write the name first. Calcium oxide. So in this way, what is calcium? Ca, and that for oxygen is O. Write their valency. Calcium, the valency is 2. Oxygen also 2. So what will happen now? These 2 will go there and these 2 will come there. So what I am getting? Ca2, O also 2. I told you that when both will be same, then we will not write them. That will be cut. So what is the formula is coming? CaO. That means calcium oxide is CaO. In this way, we can write the formula of many others. For example, I will write few more name I will write, and one by one we will continue to write their formula. For example, first of all we will write magnesium sulphate. Calcium hydroxide, ammonium nitrate, then ammonium nitrite, zinc oxide, copper, hydroxide. Like this, few name I have given. Then one by one I will complete the formula of each of them. First of all, magnesium sulphate. So how should we write? As I told you that this side I will show the process and the final formula I will write over there for each. And I believe that after doing this 5-6 formula, you will be able to write all the others. And at last I will give you some tricks what to do and what not to do. First of all, come to magnesium sulphate. So as I told, magnesium is Mg and sulphate is SO4. Valency of magnesium is how much? 2, and that for sulphate also 2. These things, the valency, you have already learned it from the valency chart I have provided last day. So there, what will happen? These 2 will go there and these 2 will come here. So what is coming? Mg2, SO4 2, both 2 will cut. So the final formula is coming MgSO4. So magnesium sulphate, what is the formula? MgSO4. No problem, I think. Then calcium hydroxide, similar way. Calcium is Ca, hydroxide is OH. Valency of calcium 2, valency of hydroxide 1. So this one will come there and oxygen will go there. So how it will come? Ca and OH will come twice, so whole 2. So what is the formula of calcium hydroxide? It became CaOH whole 2. Clear? Then for ammonium nitrate, how it will come? Ammonium, you know it is NH4, valence is 1, and nitrate, NO3, also 1. So again in the same way, they will come there and I will get NH4, NO3. If I write ammonium nitrate, what will it be? For nitrate, I know that nitrate is NO2 1. So just this 3 will become 2. Rest all will be same. So it will be NH4, NO2. Got it? Look about zinc oxide. How to get zinc oxide? First of all, again in the similar way, zinc is Zn, valency is how much? 2, and oxide is O, valency also 2. Now these 2 will go there and these 2 will come there. So it is becoming Zn2O2, and as I told that I will not write this 2 again, so it will coming ZnO. So what is the formula of zinc oxide? ZnO. Copper hydroxide. There in copper I have not written it is copper 1 or copper 2, nothing was mentioned over here. As you know that copper has 2 valency, one is 1, one is 2. So the question should contain copper 2 hydroxide, not only copper hydroxide. Copper 2 means valency of copper is 2 and hydroxide you know that it is OH having 1. So as I am teaching in this way, what should we write? Copper valency is 2, hydroxide valency is 1. So 1 will go there and oxygen here. Sorry, 2 come here. So CuOH whole 2. Copper hydroxide is become CuOH whole 2. Clear? Now let me ask you one question. I have written CuOH whole 2. Can you tell? It is Cu plus hydroxide or cupric hydroxide? Think and say. Yes. This one is cupric hydroxide. Why? Because what is the valency of copper I have written over there? 2. And I told you that copper has 2 valency, one is 1 and the other one is 2. Lower one is always As and the higher one is Ec. So since the copper is having the higher valency, it will be cupric hydroxide. Few more formula we can discuss. But before that, another question I am giving you. If I tell to write calcium chloride and also I give you calcium hydroxide, I will not show how I am getting the formula because this is your part. You will write in this way calcium with valency 2, chloride with valency 1, and then you write what you are getting. I will get calcium chloride is CaCl2 and calcium hydroxide I will get CaOH whole 2. Now my question is that in the first one when I have written CaCl2, I did not use any bracket, but here I have used the bracket. What is the reason? Why bracket is not used over here but it has been used here? What is the reason? I have seen that most of you make mistake over there. Many students write it like this simply. Some of you write calcium chloride as CaCl2. This is also not correct. This is also not. So you must be sincere about using the bracket. It is very, very important. How? What means I want to say where should I use the bracket? Whenever you will get something radical means group of atom having a particular charge, then for representing those group of atom, we will must use the bracket. For example, OH, you know it is hydroxide radical. There one oxygen atom is there together with one hydrogen. So if it come twice means both the group is coming twice. So then I will write this 2. So whenever one radical will come twice, thrice or more than that, then we must use the bracket. If you don't give, that will become extremely means totally wrong. So This is all about how to write the formula of different compound. In the next one, I will show you how to balance the equations, and then this chapter will be over. Because in in the language of chemistry, there are totally 3 things: symbol, valency chart, all these things. That one already I have discussed in the past video. Second, how to write the formula. It is easy, but most of you make silly mistakes, such as not giving the proper valency, not giving the bracket, all these things. Hope you will be sincere about that. And the third part will come, or will contain the balancing, how to do the balancing, all these things. Wait for that one. Before that, I am giving you few homeworks. You can see there one page you can see over here. In this page, there is given that write the formula of the following. So you have to do this kind of way and you write those formulas. That is your homework. You practice this. It will be helpful for you. Thank you. Bye.